Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing detangler that I use for my daughter's hair. Her hair is so hard to comb through, brush through, even after you wash it using conditioners. This is so amazing. It's Cocomagic. It's made with coconut milk, and it also has coconut oil as well. So it helps detangle. It's silicone free, which is amazing. You can use a comb, brush, and it conditions your hair without weighing it down and making it heavy and gross and greasy looking. This is so great. It's paraben free. Like I said, it's non-greasy. I love the fact that it has vitamin B in it as well to minimize damage, and it improves the look of your hair. So it's got this really cool spray handle on the top. You're able to lock it as well so that it's not just gonna leak out. I like that it's not spraying everywhere and getting greasy. It just goes right on your hair. You're able to control it, and it brushes right through. I'm talking, I've had the hardest time getting through knots. My daughter's hair literally knots as she walks, and this stuff takes it out. Cocomagic does have so many different things with their brand, but I absolutely love the detangler. It is one of my favorite things that they make, but that's just my point of view.